Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's short video, hopefully it's a short video, I just fill you guys in on what's going on the channel and a state of the channel address for this YouTube channel. Now, as most of you know, the channel name is Artisan Pirate. It's not branded to any particular medium, although it does fall primarily into the woodworking category. And before I get any further, thank you all for 6,000 subscribers. I just recently crossed 6,000 subscribers on my YouTube subscriber count. Thank you all for that. It humbles me so much. Thank you all for that. Recently, you guys know I've been adding the train videos and peppering in some of my other interests. It was always my intention to do that from the get-go whenever I made the YouTube channel for the Artisan Pirate and changed it and branded it to the Artisan Pirate name. If you go all the way back to my original YouTube trailer, which I think I posted in September 2018, I think. I'd have to go back and look. That was when I really got serious about going to YouTube and doing regular videos, and my main focus at the time was doing the woodworking videos, but the trailer did state main series woodworking videos would always be uploaded on a Monday. Secondary videos like sticker swap videos to train videos, vacation videos I may shoot when I travel, museums, a place I like to eat or something, will always be uploaded on Wednesday. And I've stuck to that format ever since. And what I'm curious about right now is when I've recently started posting the train videos on Wednesday, and then especially the train show I went to, I was really happy with that video. I'm getting not negative feedback, maybe some constructive feedback. I'm not mad at anyone, and I know my longtime subscribers are always going to be around for the woodworking, but I do have other interests. I've been getting comments for people to say, maybe make a sub Instagram page or a sub YouTube page that channels all my other interests, or just primarily just post it directly to my personal Facebook page to let my immediate friends and family see that stuff and not the whole spectrum. At the end of the day, it's all me. It's all my brain working to bring you this content, and at the end of the day, it's all the Artisan Pirate. I did have the foresight when I created the Artisan Pirate name to not have it pigeonholed into any one particular medium. You can hear the cars going by on the main road out here, but my thing was, if you say Artisan Pirate, it does not strictly mean scroll sawing, woodworking, trains, Hot Wheels, museums, or anything. It could mean anything, and that was why I was really happy and glad that the name stuck, and I've stuck with it ever since. I just want you guys to know that the woodworking videos are not going anywhere. I'm still trying to pump them out every Monday. I'll occasionally take a couple weeks break because I don't want to get burned out doing this. But, you know, I mean, I do want to branch out. I want to do more CNC stuff. I want to get back on the lathe. I want to get better at the laser engraver. You know, I want to try to step up with my bandsaw and router skills, especially with the table saw, step up with some more skills on it. But I do have the other interest, and right now, my current plan is to actually fit a room in the house with a 4x8 or a 4x6 sheet of plywood to put the model train display on it. That way they're not out here in the dust and in way of maybe getting damaged out here with all these tools and everything. And I know the dust is probably not good for the electronics. I have plans to go to more woodworking shows, more train shows, some Hot Wheels conventions where they buy, sell, and trade the vintage cars. So I just want you guys to stick with me and stay with me. If the train videos isn't your thing, by all means, don't watch them. I know there's some train people that I know that will watch them. It's just all boils down to it's me making the content, and I want to have one singular channel I can hone everything in on and just have release dates for each type of the content. Again, woodworking on Monday, secondary things will always be on Wednesday. That's just what I wanted to hop on here and let you guys know about. Not going anywhere, just kind of touching base with all of you. Please, please, please let me know down in the comments what you think of the channel so far. And once again, thank you all for helping me cross 6,000 subscribers. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and also follow me over on my Instagram page. All of my social media links will always be linked down in the description box below. That's about all for this one. Please continue to take care, everyone. And remember, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.